Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your label size in Canva, whether it's for products, gifts, or anything in between. Setting the right dimensions is super important. Let's dive in and go step by step. First, head over to Canva's homepage. In the top right corner, click the Create a Design button. From the dropdown, choose Custom Size. This lets us enter the exact dimensions for the label. By default, Canva uses pixels. Click the unit selector next to the width and height fields and switch it from px to inches, so your dimensions are in inches for accurate print measurements. Now, type in your label size. For this example, let's make it 5 inches wide and 2 inches tall. But of course, you can adjust these numbers to match your own needs. Once you've set your dimensions, click the Create New Design button. Canva will open a blank canvas with the exact size you entered. If you already have a label design saved, head to the left side panel and click on Uploads. Drag and drop your file right into the canvas. Or if you're starting fresh, just type label in the search bar to explore Canva's ready-to-use templates. Now it's time to personalize. Double-click any text to edit it, change fonts, adjust colors, or resize elements until your label matches your style and purpose. Canva's editing tools make this really simple. Check over your design. Is the text readable? Is everything aligned the way you want? Once you are satisfied, your custom-sized label is ready to download or print. And that's it. You've just created your label size in Canva. With a few simple steps, you can make perfectly sized, professional-looking labels for any project. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.